If you're looking for a complete guide on how to set up and use GoTo Resolve for your IT team, you're in the right place. Setting up remote support and troubleshooting tools for your IT staff can be a challenge, but GoTo Resolve is designed to make the process seamless and efficient. Stick around to see how to set it up, use its key features, and discover an alternative solution that could be a better fit for your team. First things first, GoTo Resolve is a comprehensive remote support software that allows IT teams to troubleshoot and resolve issues quickly. Setting it up involves integrating your company's network and making sure everything is configured for optimal use. You'll start by signing up for the service on their website. After logging in, you'll access a clean dashboard that gives you quick access to all your support sessions and customer data. Next thing, you'll want to install the software on the computers of your IT support team members. GoTo Resolve offers cross-platform support, so whether you're on Windows, Mac, or mobile, you're good to go. Make sure to follow the easy installation steps, and once it's set up, you'll have full remote control over the devices you're managing. Now, let's talk about how to use GoTo Resolve for your IT team. The primary function of this tool is remote support, and you can start a session with just a few clicks. When an issue arises, your IT team can instantly connect to the user's device, whether it's a server or a desktop, and begin troubleshooting. With its chat, file transfer, and session recording features, GoTo Resolve makes it easy for IT teams to collaborate and resolve problems in real time. The fourth thing you should know is the reporting and analytics features of GoTo Resolve. This is a real standout in the software, providing detailed insights into your team's productivity, response times, and customer satisfaction ratings. These reports can help you improve efficiency over time and identify areas where additional training may be needed. Next, let's talk about security. GoTo Resolve uses end-to-end encryption for all sessions, making it a secure choice for your IT team. However, while it's secure, there are a few downsides, like occasional performance hiccups when accessing remote systems with heavy software. This can lead to slight delays or connection issues, especially when managing multiple devices at once. Finally, before we get into the alternatives, I want to give you a heads up about a key feature to be cautious of. GoTo Resolve's pricing structure can be a bit steep for smaller IT teams, and it might not be the most cost-effective option in the long run, especially considering the alternatives out there that offer similar functionality for less money. Now, here's the open loop. While GoTo Resolve is a solid choice, it's not the only option. I've got something even better for you. Stay tuned to discover an alternative that offers all the key features you need, with a few extra perks and a better price point. Plus, I'll give you exclusive access to a free trial that you can't get anywhere else. To wrap up, if you're looking to get started with GoTo Resolve, I've included a link in the description where you can sign up for the best free trial available. But remember, I've also provided some amazing alternatives that might suit your IT team's goals even better. These options also come with free trials, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits not available elsewhere. Don't miss out.